Hi everyone, Leah Inglesby here to give you a preview of your GSBOR dashboard. We keep expanding our products and services, so we've now housed them all here in one location. And those products and services where you have a login, you can now single sign onto them using just your Flex username and password. So you go to somo.flexmls.com where you go to sign in. This is going to be your view when you sign into the desktop version. So you've got Flex, the Help Hub, your place to manage payments, which you can see open orders or past orders or change card information. You've got our calendar of events and links to register for those. Down here, all of your products and services, the GSBR eStore, which we now have the Supra lock boxes available online for purchase. GSBOR Tech Suite, these are partners in the technology sphere that are offering exclusive discounts to GSBOR members. Other resources, this is a document that's got all the contact information for all of these products and also entities such as MREC, MR Legal Line. And lastly, governance FYI, that's going to be your rules and regulations and bylaws whenever you need to reference those. Real quick, you can change the order of these by clicking change order. Say I want RPR near the top because I use it all the time. You can rearrange these and then save the order. Also, if you want to learn more about these or you're not sure what they are, simply click on the information dot right there. You're going to get the contact information, a brief description of what it is. Some of these also have a video, and you can either launch the product using the green button here or just by simply clicking one of the tiles.